Okay, hello everyone. I'm here to show you how to use our fancy new little speaker microphone-y things that we have to wear around our necks. I'm just going to give you a quick little how to set up the Bluetooth and then how you can separate and use them differently in your teams. So let's go ahead and take a look at setting up the Bluetooth first. Actually, I shouldn't have gone away. The first thing you need to do, of course, is charge these things. They take a while. I don't know how long we're going to experience that together. But then when you're ready, you're going to press this middle button, and you're going to hold that until you get a little vibration, and then you're going to get this blinking blue light. From there, we are going to go over to your clock area. There should be a little caret near the clock. Mine's on the side. Yours will be along the bottom. Find the Bluetooth icon, and then you're going to add a Bluetooth device. Once you're on this screen, you hit the plus, add a Bluetooth, and we're doing Bluetooth, and then it's going to look for it. And because it's blinking blue, it should find it. Finding it, or not. Well, it shouldn't take this long. I'm not sure why mine is. There we go, there he is. So I'm going to click on that, connecting to this Bluetooth device. Da-da. And then we're going to get the done eventually, assuming it will ever connect. All right, my device is ready to go. So now we're going to say done, and then you can just close out this Bluetooth screen because you don't need it. Now, in Teams, when you have a meeting, we're going to just go ahead and join into my meeting or one of these meetings. As you're looking to join, if you have the new experience on Teams set up, you're going to have this device settings button. So you can click there and it will open up your device settings, and you can choose what's going to be giving you your information. So I'm going to do a custom audio device setup because I want my speakers in my classroom. I've got my computer plugged in with an audio cable so that the sound of my students and the videos that I show and everything, they come through the classroom speakers. So I'm going to set this down to my speakers, which is the non-extend SST audio. That's now coming through the little audio jack in my computer. My microphone, however, I want to keep that on this headset. By keeping that on the headset, now I can wear the headset around my neck, and the microphone in the headset is the microphone I'm using. So it doesn't matter where I walk anywhere in the classroom, they're going to hear me very, very clearly at all times. And then when they talk, it's going to come through the speakers in my, like in the classroom ceiling. If I'm showing a video or something, the kids in the class can still hear the video because it's coming through the speakers. If you don't switch that out, then you're going to hear the video in your little earpieces while the class is staring at you wondering what you're enjoying. So you want to make sure if you're showing a video that you go through your classroom speakers. And then your headset should always stay on hands-free, or your microphone, excuse me, should stay on your headset. All right. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you need some help, feel free to reach out and we will try to get you taken care of. I hope that was clear enough, and I hope you are able to use your new shiny device. Wait, I wasn't done. What if you don't have the custom setup sitting right here? We're going to go ahead and do a join now into this meeting. My webcam is in the other room, so yeah. Okay, so once you're in your meeting, you have 3 dots. Now, those of you with the new experience, your 3 dots are up here. Those of you who haven't switched over to the new experience yet, your 3 dots are going to be in that bar that appears down here. But it's this same bar. It's just down here in the middle of your screen. So you click on the 3 dots, and that gives you the device settings area. And now you can still do what it is that I described earlier. So sorry for that little gap where you thought I was leaving and I didn't tell you what you needed to know. Hopefully now I've told you what you need to know. Okay, now we're all leaving.